Hello kids, today we are learn small letter alphabet and color name. White color, gray color, dark green color, red color, pink color, blue color, black color, yellow color, brown color, sky blue color, light green color, orange color, peach pink color, purple color, red color. A for apple, A for apple. Orange color. B. B for banana, B for banana. Yellow color. C. C for cat, C for cat. Light green color. D. D for drum, D for drum. Blue color. E. E for elephant, E for elephant. Brown color. F. F for fish, F for fish. Purple color. G. G for grapes, G for grapes. Sky blue color. H. H for horse, H for horse. Pink color. I. I for eyes, I for eyes. Peach pink color. J. J for jar, J for jar. Red color. K. K for kettle, K for kettle. Orange color. L. L for lemon, L for lemon. Yellow color. M. M for mouse, M for mouse. Light green color. N. N for nurse, N for nurse. Red color. O. O for oil, O for oil. Yellow color. P. P for panda, P for panda. Orange color. Q. Q for queen, Q for queen. Light green color. R. R for run, R for run. Blue color. S. S for squirrel, S for squirrel. Brown color. T. T for tea, T for tea. Purple color. U. U for unicorn, U for unicorn. Sky blue color, V. V for volcano. V for volcano. Pink color, W. W for watermelon. W for watermelon. This pink color, X. X for X-ray. X for X-ray. Red color, Y. Y for yogurt. Y for yogurt. Yellow color, Z. Z for zigzag. Z for zigzag. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.